Nung Meet Me in St. Gallen, feeling ko ayaw ni Carlo yung ginagawa niya. Kasi he kept asking why he's there, or does he deserve to be there, or he kept questioning bakit siya napilit to play Jesse. And we had to remind him every day, you're Carlo Aquino, you're so good. Ako nga, nagre-react lang naman ako sa kanya sa mga eksena, wala naman akong ginagawa eh. So, kung hindi siya si Carlo Aquino, hindi naman ganun din yung magiging ginagawa ko sa Meet Me in St. Gallen. So, now, in 2025 and 2026, I think Carlo's more sure of himself. He's also more firm now with his decisions and acting choices. Like, if he needs a moment, if he needs time in a corner, hindi naman. If kailangan niya muna ng space sa gilid para makinig ng music or kailangan niya ng katahimikan, he takes up that space. Dati kasi hindi, parang oo lang siya ng oo kung ano yung mangyayari sa set. Ngayon, parang I feel like Carlo understands that he's Carlo. So, which is a really beautiful thing to see as a friend. So, yeah.